Accountants understand data. We're trained to gather, interpret, and report on information. So data analysis creates an opportunity for us to be at the heart of decision making. And we're no longer solely reliant on historical information. Businesses today track and store data in real time from an ever-increasing number of sources, both digital and physical. But data accumulation is not an end in itself. What we do with the data is what adds value and provides business insights to our organisation. As data analysts, we can join up and leverage data to look at trends to give a deeper understanding of organisational health, to build models that forecast behaviour and results, to improve the accuracy of budgets, plans and projections, and to provide insights into the long-term viability of business decisions. The demand for data analytics has led to greater competition within the finance sector. Data-driven alternatives are supplanting traditional positions. And with almost 2/3 of accounting practices planning to invest in new data leveraging technologies within the next 3 years, knowing how to make the most of data is quickly becoming a professional necessity.